In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video to OneDrive. Whether you want to share precious memories with family or back up your important files, OneDrive is a convenient and secure cloud storage option that can make the process seamless. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to get into your Microsoft account. To do this, go to the OneDrive website and log in using your credentials. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, go ahead and create one. It's quick and easy to do. Once you've successfully signed in, you will be greeted by the home page. This is the hub where you can manage all your files and folders. Next, look for the app launcher, which is usually located at the top left corner of your screen. Clicking this will open a menu with various Microsoft services and apps. From this menu, select OneDrive to go directly to your OneDrive dashboard. Once you are in OneDrive, the next step is to navigate to the folder where you want to upload your video. It's a good idea to keep your files organized, so you might want to create a new folder for your videos or select an existing one that suits your needs. Simply browse through your directories until you find the target location. If you're setting this up for the first time, you may find it beneficial to map out a little folder structure in your mind to help keep things tidy. Now that you're in the right spot, look for the Create or Upload button. It's usually front and center on the page and easy to spot. Clicking on it will open up a couple of different options for uploading. For this tutorial, we're sticking with uploading files, so you'll want to select the Files Upload option. At this point, a new window will pop up that lets you browse your computer's directories. Here you can select the video or videos you wish to upload to OneDrive, navigate through your local storage, find the desired file, and make your selection. If you have multiple videos, you can select more than one at a time by holding down the Control key as you click to choose each file. Once you've made your selection, click Open or Done, depending on what your interface shows. Your process is almost complete. As the upload begins, you might see a progress bar indicating how long it will take for your video to be fully uploaded to OneDrive. The speed will depend on your internet connection, so just be patient. And there you have it. Your video is now safely uploaded to OneDrive, accessible from any device connected to the internet. You can share it with family, friends, or colleagues just by sharing the link. So next time you need to move files or create backups, remember this straightforward method. Thanks for watching and happy uploading.